You can use PowerToys Color Picker to pick any color on your screen instantly on your PC. Let's see how you can do that. With PowerToys installed, I can select any color on my screen by pressing Windows-Shift-C, which shows this nice color picker, which I can move around, and I can put it anywhere I want. For example, here on the Visual Studio purple color, I can click, and it copies the hexadecimal value of the color into my clipboard. And I can also see additional color representations, RGB, HSL, and so on. And if I want to see more, I can go to Settings and select additional color formats that I want to display if I want to. And if there's some color format that you want to define yourself, you can add a new format and define it using this kind of rich syntax, which allows you to select various values of the color, also various representations, and you can combine them into a specific format that you want to use. I hope you found Color Picker as useful as I do and you integrate it in your workflow from now on. And if you want to see more PowerToys in action, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.